This is a Quicken Online File. It's an export format. You can sometimes import this into Excel to view the raw transaction data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's import it. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. The HIF file extension is associated with Quicken Online, Intuit's web-based personal finance management software. These files likely store data related to user accounts, financial transactions, and settings within the Quicken Online platform. They facilitate the seamless operation of the online service, ensuring data persistence and user-specific configurations are maintained. While the exact internal structure of HIF files used by Quicken Online is proprietary, they likely employ a structured data format such as XML or JSON to store financial information. Encryption may be used to protect sensitive data. The files are accessed and managed exclusively by the Quicken Online application. Official support for HIF is primarily provided through Quicken Online from Intuit. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows offers a viewer, but editing capabilities are minimal without graphics software. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your HIF file and click Open With. If Quicken Online is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. When your HIF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here's a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your HIF problem. First, use Quicken. Open the file using Intuit Quicken, as this is the native application for financial files. Next, check version launch year. Ensure the Quicken version you are using is compatible with the year and version of the HIF file. Finally, convert to QFX. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal financial format like .qif or .qfx. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the HIF name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The best part of File Magic is its fault tolerance. It can often instantly display the contents of a corrupted HIF file, a capability vital for recovery. Get it at filemagic.com. The software mentioned is available via the link in the description. Subscribe now to ensure you get the notification for the next file solution I upload.